In this video, I will show you how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Connections. Under the Connection Settings, just scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. Now on this page, you will find the option for VPN. Now just tap on it. On this page, just check if there is any VPN network connected with your smartphone or not. If there is any VPN network connected with your smartphone, just disconnect it from here. After that, just go back and tap on Private DNS. Now, if you have connected any private DNS with your smartphone, just disconnect it from here. As you can see, if it is on private DNS or automatic, just select off. After that, just tap on Save. Now, after you've done that, now just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the main settings page. Now over here, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Now just tap on Date and Time. Now on this page, just check that the date and the time on your smartphone are correct or not. If they are incorrect, just tap on the date and set the date manually just like that. After that, just do the same thing with the time. Just set the time manually just like that. Now after that, just tap on Done. But what I recommend is just enable automatic date and time. And after you enable this toggle, your smartphone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. Now, after you do that, then just go back to the General Management settings. Now on this page, just scroll down a bit and you will find the option for reset. Now on this page, if you scroll down, you will find the option for reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap on Reset Settings. And by doing that, you'll reset all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Now do not worry, this option will not delete any data of your smartphone. It will just reset all the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings of your smartphone. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your Samsung phone. For that, just open the control center, then tap on the power icon. Now from here, just select Restart. Now while your Samsung phone is restarting, just perform a restart on your Wi-Fi router, because sometimes the issue can be from your router side, and by restarting your router, you can fix this issue. Now after the restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now for example, if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if your Wi-Fi is not working on your Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.